application of our Duratec high build. Boy, that looks beautiful. The amount of body work that's been done on this, you can see in all the past video exactly what went into this. And to have it going into ultra high build is huge. A sign that we know we're on the home stretch. This is where it comes down to the nitty gritty. Scott and Dennis have skimmed pinholes, minor imperfections that they pick up. Now the surfaces are buried in an ultra high build. They've applied their dye. And since we dye the surfaces first, they're able to find all those little pinholes because the dye gets in those pinholes. Now they'll hit every little edge, knock it down smooth with 180, making sure all our lines are spot on straight.